अच्छा अच्छा ये ऐसा है।
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I have come up with another vlog. If you are following me on Instagram, you may know that recently I traveled to Hyderabad with my family. Really wanted a break from our regular life, so planned for a road trip to Hyderabad. My brother and his friend also came up with us, so it was me, my husband, kids, and also my brother and his friend. It was a short trip of 4 days. We got 2 days for travel. It was 13 hours journey to Hyderabad from our place. So one day was for going and another day was for coming back. Personally, I love journey than the destination. I love to travel for long with endless road. I hope you all enjoy this vlog. Keep watching. Quick reminder, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button if you like my content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the link in my description box below. As it was 13 hours journey, we all were very hungry and exhausted, especially my kids. It's not that easy to find good restaurant while traveling. Anyhow, found this dhaba and ordered our food here. Food was too spicy and anyhow managed to have them. We adults did not find any difficult to have them, but kids felt the food too spicy. Somehow I made them to eat because I'm not sure if we may get any good restaurant on the way. When we reached our destination, it was too late. All the hotels were closed. As kids were very hungry, somehow found one restaurant and had our dinner here. The major problem we faced was finding a good room to stay over. As we did not pre-booked any room, we faced difficulty in finding good room in the midnight as we all were new to the city. It was around 5 a.m. in the morning when we got to our rooms. I hardly slept for 2 hours because I had to get ready and also make kids ready. We were in a rush because we had only 2 days to explore this beautiful city. As we had only 2 days to roam around the city and there were many places to explore, we chose major tourist spots and went to main and famous places. There was a good restaurant near to our room. It was walkable distance. So quickly went to the restaurant and had our breakfast there. There were many options for breakfast. We preferred to have idli and sambar. On the first day, we went to a famous fort called Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort was so beautiful to explore. Altogether, it was 10 kilometers. Obviously, we did not complete the whole fort because one, we had kids, two, it would take all day long to explore the whole fort. One thing I like to say, whenever you visit a historical places, I suggest you to have a guide to explain the speciality of a particular place. If you have a guide, you will come to know a lot about that place. Guides will explain very well about those historical places and also you will gain some knowledge about the history. So next place was the Qutub Shahi tombs. These tombs are close to famous Golconda Fort. Here you can see tombs, mosque built by the various kings of Qutub Shahi dynasty. After visiting these two places, it was time for our lunch. We did not find any parking area near the restaurant, so me and my husband went to have lunch and bought a parcel for my brother and his friend, as they were waiting for us in the car at parking area. Who will miss having Hyderabad biryani when visited to Hyderabad? We had a lunch at where the authentic Hyderabad biryani was famous for. We asked the local people there for the original Hyderabad biryani. Many of them suggested this restaurant. So finally went there and had our Hyderabad biryani. So here we are going to the next place, that is Charminar, as it was walkable distance from the restaurant. We thought of going by walk. Near the Charminar there is a famous market named Lad Bazaar, where you get different kind of things with a cheap price. I purchased some items from this market. As we had very less time, could not roam around the market properly, and also it was getting late because for entrance of Charminar was about to close. So we quickly rushed near the Charminar as my brother already booked passing ticket to enter. After coming back from Charminar, now going to the parking area and also purchase some toys for my little one. Last place to go on this day was IKEA Mall. I really wanted to shop from IKEA, so I told my husband to take me there. I shopped some home related items. I did not buy a lot because we had to travel for that long. Already car's dicky was filled by our luggage. As we all were not feeling hungry, so just ordered pizza at IKEA's food section. My kids had some cold drinks. I had coffee and didn't had anything. After billing, we straight away left to our rooms as we all were totally tired and also did not sleep properly last night. So went early so that we can get enough sleep and get more energy the next day. This is the last day at Hyderabad, so got up early and checked out from our room and left to have breakfast. Today we are going to a Ramoji film city. I have never seen any film city till now. Ramoji is the largest film city among the world. So this is the first entrance of the film city where you have to book your ticket to enter the film city. Both for kids and adults there will be ticket on the basis of height and not the age. As you enter, there will be a bus which will take you to another place where there is a three section to explore. One is movie magic, another one is a movie dunya, and other one is a space travel. This is the first place. Here we are at Movie Magic. Movie Magic is where they demonstrate and show how the movies are made, like sound mixing, visualization, and also they show how green screen is used in movies. This is the second place. This is known as Movie Dunya, where you have to sit on a moving train, kind of thing, which takes you to a tunnel. There will be a different kind of cartoons, like different dressings, plays, many more. My little one got scared and started crying because it was dark inside and had a loud music. Third section was a space travel where there will be a 3D screen which makes you experience a feel of going to the space. After going to these three parts, we had our lunch and went to the bus. They make you to travel on a red vintage bus which was really good experience. Guide will explain very well about the each place and spots.
ये प्लेस का नाम है यूरेका। इस जगह का नाम है यूरेका है। टूर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट रहेगा, एंडिंग पॉइंट रहेगा और शोज गेम्स एंटरटेनमेंट पूरा यूरेका में रहता है। शोज
In every bus, there will be a one guide to explain about the places like which film was shot here and what building is this. There is some place where you can get down and see them, and for some places public were not allowed as it was a shooting zone. While shooting is on process, they won't allow anyone. As we went near the jail, shooting was going on for the web series. In this film city, most of the South Indian movies and Bollywood movies like Chennai Express, Dirty Picture, Tere Naam and many more were shot. Here there is a fake railway station, hospital, temple, airport and many more. If you ever visit Hyderabad, don't forget to go to Ramoji Film City. We had a really good experience here and it's worth going. Last place at Ramoji Film City was a Bahubali set. Bahubali is a very famous South Indian movie. If you have watched the movie, you will understand the each spots in the set. I have seen this movie, it was the exact same as it was shown in the film. We took more pictures here and went to the bus to go back to the exit point of the film city. After coming back from the film city, it was around 8 p.m. On the way, we got one good veg restaurant and had our dinner there. So now we are leaving to our hometown. It was a whole night journey. Due to time congesting, could not explore this beautiful city as we expected, but somewhat covered main places of the city. Hope we will visit this place again. I hope you all enjoyed this Hyderabad vlog. We'll come soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.